Hi everyone, this is Travis Parker from Rule 1 Investing, and I want to provide you another earnings update on one of our favorite companies, which is Bank OZK. Now, Bank OZK is a regional bank based in Arkansas, and it's perhaps the best regional bank in the industry with the best management team in the industry. They had a really good quarter. A couple of the key highlights were they had loan growth that was 7%, and they had this deposit growth of 7.6%, which actually took them to a record 23.9 billion in total deposits. But most importantly, clearly, was the asset quality was well above the industry average, and it has been for a long time. This shows us that management is actually not taking a lot of risks with depositors' money, and they're running the bank very conservatively. Now, the reason we love Bank OZK is that they have very capable and conservative management, and they're actually known for having very high credit quality standards. And the CEO, George Gleason, has been very, very vocal over the years about not bending those credit quality standards simply to chase growth or loan growth, which clearly the Wall Street guys would love them to do. But in fact, during the earnings call, George Gleason pointed out specifically that despite the loan growth that they had, all the new loans they originated had better quality standards, credit quality standards, that is, than their total portfolio average. And this is a great example of why looking at management and understanding how management operates the business is critically important to figuring out the best possible investment to put your money into. That's all for now. Talk to you next time.